Hello everybody and welcome to another math extra credit video. So this one is triangles and figuring out the angles and such, the measurements. So the side triangle using sine and cosine, we must figure out the rest. So my 3 points are my favorite clock, our new pineapple chandelier, and that dish cabinet. So the rough thing is, let's try to get it 18 feet from the clock to the chandelier. And I know this is upside down, but clock to dish cabinet is 15 feet. And dish cabinet to chandelier is about, and dish cabinet to chandelier is 19 feet. I know this is a bit of a crude drawing, but clock, dish cabinet, chandelier. Clock to chandelier 18, clock to dish cabinet 15, dish cabinet to chandelier 19. So as we know, a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine alpha. So 19 squared would equal 18 squared plus 15 squared minus 2, 18, 15 cosine alpha. So if we figure out what's the difference between these two, we can figure out what cosine alpha is. So 19 squared is 361, and 18 squared is 324, and 15 squared is 225, and 2 times 18 times 15 is 540. So if we add all this together, 361 equals 549 minus 540 cosine alpha. Then we can figure out by what amount this is a limiting factor to this. So the difference between these two, 549 minus 361, off the top of my head, I'll check my math later, 188. So cosine alpha times 540 equals 188. So I am not a calculator, I can do basic math functions, but I'm going to guesstimate it's like around 2.5 to 3. Future Craig, put up the actual number on the screen right now. Thank you. Okay, so alpha, which should be the clock, this angle right here, should be 69.626. Okay, so I essentially did the same entire process for this, only changing out a few things, and it ended up with 586 minus 324 equals 262. 570 cosine B equals 262. Cosine B is roughly equal to 0.45965. Beta is roughly equal to 62.636. Okay, so I repeated the same steps for c squared, and I ended up going through all this and getting 47.738. Double checked my math, and they all add up to 180. So yeah. Halfway there. Halfway done. Now, for this, I found a really neat little equation called the Heron's formula, or the hero's equation. but we'll get to that in a bit. So I did sine 55 over 22, and I got 0.037. That is the sort of little constant for them. So I did sine gamma over 25, and then divided what I got by that, and then sine of that, and I got 68.586. With that, I managed to figure out that beta was, to make it 180, was 56.43 degrees. And that the length of it was 22.378 units. Now, with all that, I tried a few times to see if I could get another triangle, but I could not. All that, we go to the Heron's formula. The area equals the square root of P, parentheses, P minus A, parentheses, P minus B, parentheses, P minus C, where P is equal to half the perimeter, or A plus B plus C divided by 2. So, the perimeter, adding everything up and dividing it by 2, we get 34.689. Now, plug all that in, and we get 34.689 times 12.689 times 12.311 times 9.689. Now, square root of all that, and we get 229.137 square units. Now, so, that's it. Have a wonderful day.